your knuckles sound like popcorn, you're a walking mythbuster. And here's why. For years, people have believed that cracking your knuckles leads to arthritis. But guess what? That's pure baloney. Studies have shown that there's no connection between knuckle cracking and arthritis. The sound you hear is just gas bubbles bursting in the joint fluid. In fact, Dr. Donald Unger cracked the knuckles on one hand for over 60 years and didn't develop arthritis in either. So if you love that satisfying pop away, but remember, moderation is key. Frequent cracking can still cause some minor issues like hand swelling, so next time someone gives you grief about it, you've got the facts to set them straight. That's it for today's myth busting. Like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening truths. Keep those knuckles cracking and those myths busted.